Hello, blessed ones. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to see what your girl having stock for you today. Yes, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this coffee shampoo that will grow your hair non-stop. You know, we are on the 10 hacks of how to grow your hair while shampooing. So this is the second video, and guys, keep on watching as this video is very self-explanatory. You understand it. So what I have here is my black soap, and this is my glycerin, my pure glycerin. So I've cut it in pieces, and it's a bar soap, a pure glycerin bar soap. So I'm the one that shredded it in pieces like this so it could melt faster, because it take more time to melt before the black soap. So now, guys, after cutting this in pieces, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of these ingredients together. So in my bowl, I'm going to be pouring the black soap in, and after pouring the black soap, I'll go in with the glycerin soap, and then I'll put every other ingredient. I will go ahead and melt this up in a hot water bath, like the double boiling method. So adding my olive oil, I added 4 teaspoons of my olive oil to this mix. You can use 4 teaspoons or quarter of a cup of olive oil. The olive oil will help it to melt faster. So guys, let's transfer this to a hot water bath, and I will be right back. So beautiful people, if you are new here, welcome. This is Global The Blessed channel. Please kindly subscribe and click the notification bell for more. So when this is in my hot water bath, from time to time, I just go in and mix it up and stir, so that the ones that is at the bottom that has melted already can mix up with the others. So this took roughly about 30 minutes to completely melt down in this hot water. And when it melt down, I had to bring it down to cool a little bit, because when you leave it to cool completely, this whole thing is going to solidify, like it's going to come together. You see that in the later part of the video. Guys, now that it has melted down, I let it cool down a little bit, and this is how it's currently looking like. So I'm just going to go ahead and add every other ingredient that I need to add to this. First thing first, I transferred it out of that bowl into my glass jar, because this will be easy for me to pour in my shampoo container. So here I'm adding my honey to this, and I added 2 teaspoons of honey. And after adding the 2 teaspoons of honey, I'll go ahead and mix it very well, like mix it very well. So I noticed that after mixing this, it was becoming like thicker because it's getting cold. So the next thing that you're going to be adding to this after mixing the honey in very well is any shampoo of your choice. Any shampoo of your choice, you are going to add it to this. But you can leave this like this as well. You can use it as a bar, because with time this is going to solidify. So you can use it as a shampoo bar. Other than that, to make it in a liquid form, you'll be adding any shampoo of your choice to this mix. So I went ahead, added a shampoo that is enough to cover the black soap bar that I've already melted, and I go ahead and mix this up very well. Like, mix it until you see that it is smooth. Even if you have little bit of lumps left, like you will see in a space of 2 days, this thing is going to melt inside the soap. So do not worry about that. If you see little bit of lump, just let it be. It is still going to melt down by itself, all by itself. You will see that after 2 days, this is going to melt down. And remember that coffee helps us to grow our hair from the scalp. So what you'll be doing right here, after pouring this in my jar, this coffee shampoo is ready to be made use of. So guys, coffee is so great for your natural hair. It will help you to block the hormone DHT that causes baldness in both male and female, help to balance the pH of the hair, help to soften your hair strands, and much more. Guys, the black soap will give you that deep cleansing of your scalp, while the glycerin will lock in moisture to your hair. So this is our shampoo is ready. Our coffee hair growth shampoo is ready, guys. Try this out, you'll be amazed. You'll grow your hair while you are still washing and it will also leave your hair soft and supple and very easy to detangle. You will be amazed how easy your detangling process is going to be using this shampoo. So thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. May God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment. And when you subscribe, please endeavor to click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there is a new video on this channel. Guys, please don't forget, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now. Mwah, mwah, mwah.